Two on one. Die witte, de white one, she's Daisy. Ja, zij daagt die andere uit. En dan wordt zij aangevallen. She challenges them and then they jump on her. They love their play. Yeah, they love to play. And those two, they play hard. These two are okay. Look at him. Taking her tail. You little buddy. Good boy. Wait, chook chook. Yeah, he growls and he roams and everything, but he doesn't mean anything. He's just having fun, huh? It's just his way of talking. It is.